Good evening. Welcome to Prognozy Capital, where we provide you the latest stock market updates. Market snapshot as of the 16th of February 2024 index performance. The Nifty closed positively at 22,040.7, showing an increase of 129.95 points. There were long buildups observed with an open interest, OI, of 6,636 contracts. Nifty option buildups in the 22nd of February 2024 expiry. There was a buildup of Nifty resistance or call OI at 23,000, with an increase in OI by 57.79%. Similarly, there was a buildup of Nifty support or put OI at 21,000, with an increase in OI by 36.42%. Furthermore, there was a shift in new call writers from 23,000 to 22,100, indicating a decrease in their positions. On the other hand, new put writers shifted up from 21,000 to 22,000, suggesting an increase in their positions. This shift in positions suggests a contraction in the range. Banknifty also closed positively at 46,384.85, showing a gain of 165.95 points. Long buildups were observed with an OI of 657 contracts. Banknifty option buildups in the 21st of February 2024 expiry. There was a buildup of Banknifty resistance or call option OI at 47,000, with an increase in OI by 53.42%. Similarly, there was a buildup of Banknifty support or put option OI at 46,500, with an increase in OI by 169.78%. New call writers maintained their positions at 47,000, while new put writers shifted up from 44,000 to 46,500. This aggressive shift in put writers suggests a potential breakout. Data analysis, cash segments, foreign institutional investors, FII, bought 253.28 CR in the cash market today. Additionally, domestic institutional investors, DII, bought 1571 CR in the cash market. FII data analysis, F&O segments, FII bought 639.97 CR in index futures and sold 5497.43 CR in index options. They also bought 1259.65 CR in stocks futures and 150.84 CR in stocks options. Overall, there was a net sell of 3,446.96 CR in the F&O market. FII data analysis, derivatives segments, index. In index futures, FII added 10,499 long contracts and added 4,091 short contracts. With this, FII is now net short in index with minus 68,790 contracts compared to previous minus 75,198 contracts. FII data analysis, derivatives segments, stocks. In stocks futures, FII added 14,823 long contracts and closed 438 short contracts. With this, FII is now net long in stocks with 155,921 contracts compared to previous 140,660 contracts. FII data analysis, derivatives segments, index options. Index options. In index options, FII added 160,734 call long and added 293,391 put shorts. Total call long and put shorts for the day comes to 454,125 contracts. On the other side, FII added 274,122 put long and added 243,381 call shorts. Total put long and call shorts for the day comes to 517,503 contracts. FII index option analysis. FII net put long is 79,780 contracts compared to previous 99,049 contracts, and net call short is 54,637 contracts compared to previous 28,010 contracts. Option buildups on short side is more than long side suggest that upside is limited. Thank you so much for tuning in. We truly appreciate your support and would love for you to join our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter as well, where we share even more exciting content. For more information and updates, make sure to check out our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. Once again, thank you for watching.